Hello learners, welcome back to SYNCRONOID. I am Sayan. So today we are going to learn how can we change the app icon easily in Android Studio. So before starting this video, if you are watching from YouTube, please subscribe. If you are watching from Facebook, LinkedIn or Instagram, make sure you follow SYNCRONOID. So let's open the Android Studio first. Okay, here we are. So at first we have to copy and paste the icon to the drawable file. So let's go to the file manager. Let's copy this icon. Paste it here. Make sure you have to rename the logo name, because if you have the name in capital or you have a space between them, so it will make a error in this project. So rename the logo in all small letters like that and press OK. And then we have to go to the Android manifest.xml file. Okay, so now we have to click on this and just select the logo, and that's it. And now we have to change this also. Just click on this logo, that's it. And let's run the app. So here our simple login app, just click in this and here we can see our app logo is changed. So that's how you can change the app icon very easily in the Android Studio. So that's for today guys. If you find this video a little bit informative, then make sure you subscribe SYNCRONOID in YouTube. If you are watching from Facebook, Instagram and LinkedIn, make sure you follow SYNCRONOID. So see you in the next video. Keep learning Android.